Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Portal 2. First, let's cover the basics of movement. You'll use the W, A, S, D keys to move around the Aperture Science Enrichment Center. The spacebar allows you to jump over gaps, and the Control key helps you crouch under low obstacles. Remember to use your mouse to look around, and the E key to interact with various elements in the environment. These fundamental controls are essential for your journey. Now, let's dive into the core mechanic, portals. Your portal gun is your most important tool. The left mouse button shoots a blue portal, and the right mouse button shoots an orange one. You can only place these on special white surfaces. When you step into one portal, you immediately exit the other, maintaining your speed and direction. This allows for incredible movement and creative puzzle solutions. As you progress, puzzles become more intricate. Remember the principle of momentum. Falling through portals can launch you across vast distances. You'll often need to redirect laser beams using weighted cubes to activate switches or disable hostile turrets. Always look for those special white surfaces and consider how objects, like cubes, can interact with the environment to solve the challenges presented by GLaDOS. Portal 2 also offers a fantastic cooperative campaign where you and a friend control two robots, Atlas and Peabody. Each robot has its own portal gun, allowing for 4 portals to be active simultaneously. Communication is key here. Talk to your partner to coordinate your moves and solve complex puzzles together. Don't be afraid to experiment with different portal placements, and always take a moment to observe your surroundings for clues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.